Greetings, Internet land. This is Ivan coming to you live at the home office. I wanted to shoot another updated video on your web hosting account. I know I've done some other videos in the past, and I'm using a new hosting company. And if you're interested in knowing what hosting company, email me at tmemarketingpro@gmail.com and I'll share that with you. I don't want to put it out here on the internet because you'll get too many spammers using it, and then next thing you know, it will mess up their whitelist rating. I know I talked about HostGator. HostGator still works, but they've done some new things where it's making it harder to leverage their actual platform to send out mass emails. So, with that being said, let's get started really quick on how to set up. It's very similar to how I did with HostGator. Now, I know some of you seen my video with the VPS setup. I've at this point don't even use their VPS. I've learned that their system is very what I call temperamental to people emailing from them. So you can still use HostGator, but just understand that the deliverability is not as prevalent as it used to be because, like I said, they had people spamming and people accounts got shut down. So they put some new security features in there, which basically won't even send the email out, just to be totally honest. So I found another one. Like I said, if you're interested, just email me, or you can message me here on YouTube or wherever you catch this video, reply back. All right, and the it gives me, so far it's been giving me 95% inbox delivery. So let's get underway. I'm going to set it up really quick. The first thing I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and open up my SMTP box here. Now, if you remember in my last video, I just kind of showed you basically how you can go about using the actual numbers, I mean the actual information out of the gray boxes. Similar to this, their control panel looks quite different. So with that being said, let me go ahead and pull it up. As you see, this is it right here. I'm going to go ahead and go to email accounts. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create another email because I want to show you step by step. I already have one made. This one will be called, let's see, contact. And all lowercase. I don't need that. Let's do it again. Contact. Now, it can be anything that you want. I just like professional emails like that, contact info, things like that. And then once you do that, create the password. That's a strong password. You type it in again. And what I'm showing you works on mostly all different hosting accounts. They all cPanels look the same. So you can use this across the board if you already have a hosting account with one of the other providers. Once you do that, you go ahead and push create. As you see, it's there. And then from there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take that and use it. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and push this little wheel here. And it's going to give me what I need to use for sending mail. So I'm going to use this one as the outgoing. Okay. And I'm going to go back over here to where I was and put in the actual outgoing up here. Okay. Now, one thing I do recommend is that you put down 12,000 in a 24-hour period, which is per day, and do $4.99. Stay under the radar. That's one reason why I've never had my account shut down. Stayed under the radar. When you're doing mass emails, you just have to be very intelligent about it. People just want to go out and just spam, and what it does, it creates new ways for these hosting companies to block your emails going out and things of that nature. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and copy this here. Go back over here, put in my email address. And you put it also in the ID spot. Then you put in your password. Now you can keep it at 587. I prefer 25 as the port. It works on both. Once all that's in, you go ahead and save. Give it a little time. It should go right in there. Let's see here. It's taking a little time. There you go. Now, it usually happens faster than that, but it's okay. As you see, the SMTP is set up. I'm going to show you how you can test it also when you want to see if it's getting inbox delivery. So I'm going to show you real time how well a hosting account that has good whitelist rating, and how if it's not going into your inbox on the very first time, or let's say you did the first time, went to spam, do it again. If it keeps going to spam, it's a possibility that a lot of your emails are going to go to spam. So let me show you real quick on how to test it. What you should do is make sure that you have your email inside of this database here, and that's what I do, and I check it. And now I have one email in here because as you know, I just uploaded this to show you. So my messages, I haven't uploaded all my messages. So what I do is I'll just go down here and I'll find one of my emails. I put, I think, one or two emails in here that are mine. And let me just find one real quick. And let's see here. Scroll down. I'm almost there. A lot of emails. Okay. All right, so I'm going to use this email here. And remember, send it to yourself. And as you know, you click the one arrow for one email. If you're going to do all the emails, then you click both arrows. If you just want to highlight a few, then you do the one. Okay, now what I'm going to do is once that happens, I'm going to go ahead to pick the message. I only have one message in there, and then I'm going to go ahead and send on a personalized one. Okay, now as you see, it's going through and doesn't take that long. I do have it set at default 20 seconds, but it should go pretty fast. There it is. As you see, the message just came in over here, and I'll show you inside my own inbox that the message did come through. It was sent successfully, and so this is awesome. So what I'm gonna do is go over to my inbox real quick, and there is the email. Okay, it came in real time, 0 minutes. As you see, the email is there. It's really something quick. I know you can't see all of it, but that is no upfront cost. But the bottom line is that email went through. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my mailer and show you the message that I actually created. So, yeah, as you see, this is the message that I sent. Okay, so just want to let you know I do know what I'm doing. If you want to get that 90 plus inbox delivery, I get so many emails going to my spam, people trying to market, and they may have great programs, but if you're not very savvy at having a great emailing system with a great server connected to it, it's really the server. This is just a vehicle. You're going to go to spam, and people don't realize they're not getting any results if you go to spam. So I just wanted to show that real quick as we end this video. On most control panels, the box is gray, but I am using a wonderful new hosting account and absolutely getting great results, and I'm really grateful about that. But again, I'm not going to give it out here on the internet because the fact of the matter is that I want to make sure that when I give you the information that you're not going to mess it up and have your account shut down and also make it hard on me. So if you already have a hosting account, great, you can use that. You need to know what your quota is for that particular hosting provider because they really don't want you using their servers to send out mass emails. But hey, it's one of the most economical ways to send emails, very cheap because we know emailing can be very expensive. So I found really some cool ways to send out mass emails. Okay, thank you again so much. And again, if you're looking at this video and you're interested in getting the software, there should be information below here that you can purchase the software. Matter of fact, you can even do a what we call free download and download the demo version and try it out. And you know, for anyone that buys the software directly from me, I actually give you support. I am definitely have a good relationship with Ahmad, the owner of AB Bulk Mailer, and so I'm probably one of the only U.S. persons that you can buy direct from without going to the website. So if you purchase it from me, you'll get support and some other great options. I'm not going to say over the internet, but again, I will throw in some other downloads, software downloads for you as a token of my appreciation. So, with that said, I wish you continued success in your business, and I look to help you in your email marketing platform. Okay, make it a great day.